Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing a broken LCD cover on your Lenovo that feels loose, you're not alone. This issue often arises from everyday wear and tear, especially if the device has been dropped or subjected to pressure. If not addressed promptly, it may lead to further damage to the display or internal components, potentially resulting in costly repairs. To fix your Lenovo's LCD cover, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement LCD cover specifically designed for your Lenovo model. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. To safely open your Lenovo, start by removing any screws located at the back of the device. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry apart the casing, working your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. Once you have opened the device, locate the LCD cover, which is usually secured by several screws. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver, but be mindful not to apply too much force as this could strip the screws. Gently lift the broken LCD cover away from the device, being cautious of any cables connected to the display. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the faulty cover is removed, take your replacement LCD cover and position it carefully, ensuring it aligns with the device's frame. Reinsert the screws to secure it in place, applying even pressure while tightening to avoid any warping. Reconnect any cables you may have disconnected earlier, ensuring they are firmly in place. Before sealing the device, check that everything is secure and functioning as it should. Finally, replace the back casing, pressing gently until it clicks back into place. To prevent this issue from occurring again, consider using a protective case for your Lenovo, and avoid placing heavy objects on top of it. Regularly inspect your device for any signs of wear and tear, and address minor issues before they escalate. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.